My name is Jeff Lawrence. I'm the CEO of JL Remodeling. We specialize in kitchen and bath remodels. Our initial thoughts about going to the workshop was that we were just going to go there to see, basically as a litmus test for our company, to see if we were on the right track, if we're thinking about things the right way. I'm a salesman by nature, and so hitting sales numbers was always my thing, and so we were growing, and we were profitable. But yeah, we weren't measuring it correctly, and we weren't capturing all the different areas of opportunity that we are now. I think the biggest impact that I had going out of there is that how do you measure the company? Like, what is the actual measurement? Is it in gross sales? Is it in net profit? Is it how much money you make? How do you actually measure it? And then how do you translate that same measurement across the entire aspect of your company? That was the hardest thing for us to get to. So measuring by a company by gross profit or gross profit margin was genius to me. I was like, okay, that's something that everybody can have access to, everybody can understand, and it's not like how much money I make, it's just our gross profit margin. And so we can bonus off of that, we can create sales off of that, we can create jobs, pricing, everything is off that one number. Taking one day out of your life can be disruptive, absolutely. But however, you need to take time to invest in your business. It's always good. You'll go out and buy the proper tool to do the proper job. Well, this is the proper tool.